Now we have sheet metal gussets, so click on it. Select two faces, supporting faces, face 1 and then face 2. Now you can see gusset has been automatically created. If you scroll down, these are the distances from this point, reference point. You can increase or decrease this distance. Scroll down again, and here is the sizes for this gusset. If you want to add all dimensions, check into this option, profile dimensions, and select all the dimensions manually. Again scroll down. Here is the type of gusset: circular or rounded gusset or flat gusset. Again scroll down, and these are rest of the options. Review them by yourself. Press OK button to apply this command. Now you can see gusset is created internally and externally.